In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate working days in Microsoft Excel. We're going to quickly build a simple worksheet and use a built-in function that counts weekdays only, so weekends don't inflate your timelines. Start by opening Excel and setting up a clear structure. Create 3 columns, one for the start date, one for the end date, and a third column for the result, which we'll call working days. Adding headers keeps your sheet readable, and it helps you avoid selecting the wrong cells later. In the start date column, enter the first date for your period. Use a standard date format that Excel recognizes, such as month, day, year, or day, month, year, depending on your regional settings. If the date doesn't look right or aligns to the left like plain text, apply a date format from the number group on the Home tab so Excel treats it as a real date. Now move to the end date column and enter the final date for the same item. Make sure it's the date you want the count to include as the end of the range. If your end date comes before your start date, the function will return a negative number. So double check your entries if you see something unexpected. With your dates in place, click the first empty cell in the working days column where you want the result to appear. Start typing the formula equals network days and leave the parenthesis open. This function is designed to count the number of working days between 2 dates, automatically excluding Saturdays and Sundays. Next, click the start date cell to add it as the first argument, type a comma, and then click the end date cell to add the second argument. You'll now have both dates inside the parentheses. At this point, Excel knows to calculate the weekdays in that range. Close the parenthesis and press enter. You should see a number that represents the total working days between your start and end dates, with weekends left out. If you have multiple rows, you can copy this formula down the working days column to apply it to each pair of dates, and Excel will adjust the references automatically. By default, this method counts Monday through Friday as working days. If your organization observes specific holidays, the function can also exclude those with an optional holidays argument, but the core setup you've just built is all you need to get accurate weekday counts fast. That's it. Set up your columns, enter your dates, use network days, start date, end date, close it, and press enter. You now have a reliable way to calculate working days in Excel.